Bro, someone tried to literally get in my fitting room and it's locked. Okay, it's locked for a reason. So this is outfit number one. Try on, and I freaking love this. This is so chic. This is so cute, and I put it on with the polka dot flip flops because I usually would probably pair it with something like this. So this is outfit number one. Okay, I'm probably gonna put music with the next ones so that we can kind of get through this. But yeah, I love the fit of this. It's so classy. It's so me. It's so cute, and I'm obsessed with it.